everybody, it's Brian at Summit Racing, and I am part of our private label team. We create really awesome parts for people, whether it's engine internal, suspension parts, but one of the coolest things that we like to bring to people is tools. Now, what kind of cylinder head do I have in front of me? It is a Honda K20. Honda K20 makes awesome horsepower, very reliable, came in a ton of cars, relatively inexpensive, and easily moddable. There's everything available for it: rods, pistons, cams, springs, you name it. Super popular head for sport compact racing, road racing, etc. So one thing that we like in tools is that they fit properly. There's some inexpensive tools out there that are okay, but with just a little bit more attention to detail, we can make something perfect. And with that, I want to show you our new Honda K20 valve spring compressor. Comes everything complete with all the fasteners you need. All right, so the installation of the tool is super simple. All the cylinder heads are the same, so you don't really have to worry about them being slightly different here or there. You're only going to need a couple sockets. One is a M14 deep and a M17 shallow. I'll show you why here in just a second. Wrenches are fine too. All right, here's our M14. We're just going to tighten this down on the cylinder head just a little bit. Just make it snug. It doesn't have to be crazy. All right. The other cool thing about that is this, what they call a pressure foot. What is this slot in the side? What that is for you to basically reach in with your magnetic tool and pull the keepers out once you have the retainer and spring compressed. Just go ahead and do the side facing here. Facing that slot up toward the top. All right, so I'm going to turn that slot slightly toward you so you can see what you would end up pulling there. But now you just go ahead and switch out to the M17. The cool thing is that we've rounded the head of this bolt so it really matches the dimple that we put in the top of that pressure foot. And pressing the spring is just as easy as that. Just as much as you need to get the keepers out and everything comes apart without everything flying apart. It's a great part. So with that, enjoy yourself with this new tool, and please come back and subscribe and ring the bell and all that fun stuff, because we got great stuff coming out all the time. Engine parts, suspension parts, tools, you name it.